Look at it. This makes no sense. How many birds do I have on me? Stop making a mess now. That's enough of that. Y'all don't need to fight. This is my best friend right here. Yeah, he's just enjoying his little soup. He's liking that bird soup. You like that bird soup? Yeah.
Colin, put your hand out.
You're too cute. Look here now. You've had enough now. Fly away. Go back home. Go back home to your other friends. Fly away now. I got a second visitor. I don't have no food left, okay? Alright? I don't have no food left. Look, it's empty. You can go home now. It's all empty. Listen now. Go ahead and go back home. There you go.